falling now. Bro, this gun's throw no soap. Look at this, man. There's barely any soap. I think they're fixing.
I go right here, right?
Huh?
I go right here?
Yeah, you can. I think that's what you're trying to do. Yeah, try to fit in through here. Talk about outside.
Why don't he park sideways like this?
On the side of my car.
Oh.
I'm ready to get banded up. Oh yeah, boss time. With that bump there, it almost looks like I'm low.
You cannot. Oh.
Huh?
Scare me. Come on the picture.
Oh.
You can scare me. You gotta get used to it first.
You ever seen that video? What's it called? With the old grandma and that guy, and they wanted to. Yeah, no.
I love all these. Look.
Huh?
I love all
The work
these.
emotions.
I don't know.
They're starting to grow on me more. Like at first, they were alright when I first got them. I'm not gonna lie. When I first got them, I still kind of like the tandems a little more.
No, I like all these. Better.
But then these grew on me. I'm like, yeah, I like these.
These need to be lower, bro.
Lowered
Yeah. Like a little bit lower in the rear.
in the rear.
That's how low you are.
Something, bro.
You over here recording me and shit?
New camera. But my guy, he said my rears are maxed out.
No way. But you got BC?
BCs. I feel like I could have gone way lower.
Mine's not even maxed out.
That's what I said.
You got BCs, right?
Yeah, mine's a quarter.
That shit don't
Do
even
you,
look, man.
do you got extreme lows or
I got regular.
regular?
You got extreme lows?
I mean, if you got regular, if I got extreme lows, I'm sure I could probably go lower.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. That's why I don't think you're maxed. I don't think you're maxed out. Yeah,
That'll be a good upgrade.
I'm not even maxed out.
you're not even maxed out.
That
I'm
nigga's
nowhere near
chrome popping over there. I can't.
I know.
That shit looking too good. I need to put my chrome grill on. I still have to put my chrome grill on.
Yeah, I just put my. Tell me how to do it.
Really? This is that navy blue. That, shit
That
look
navy
like-
blue?
I was gonna get
You
that
don't see a
navy-
lot of those.
You don't. I was gonna get that navy blue, a red sport one. But that shit cost so much. It cost like 34.
Yeah.
For red spot.
What's that? Iridium?
Something like, is that the color of it?
I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, nice. That's exactly how I do it. I put chrome wheels. That's exactly how I do that shit. I was looking at the same one. Crazy.
Yeah, those are pretty
Hey,
rare.
you got that lotion?
Clean, wow, bro. I ain't gonna lie. All our Qs are clean. I love Q50s, man. Such a passion. We're on our way to flick up spot number 1. We're gonna probably just go flick up real quick and then probably go get some food because I am hungry, man. Keep on. Safety first, always. Nick, which is behind me with the white Q50, man, he shoots some flames. That's my burp was on. So much lower, bro. It's insane. Waiting for Matt. Oh my gosh, my friends. My friends are so cool. I ain't gonna lie, that's a lot of us. Police around here. I need that much carbon. I need that much carbon.
He's great. Damn. Freaking scammer.
Are these like aftermarket headlights? They're not the original ones.
I think mine are aftermarket too. Like one's fogged up, one.
Are your headlights aftermarket? Your headlights are aftermarket? No?
I mean, kinda, yeah. Which is clear.
Because they don't got like that amber.
That's not a bad spot to go to either. There's a whole bunch of empty space.
You want to go to Popeyes and that booyah trend?
I died. I tried it.
Oh, you tried it? I didn't see it.
I took it down.
Oh, you took it down?
Yeah, it was not going good.
What happened? My camera look funny on my head?
it does.
I had it where it was like hanging underneath here in front of my head, but I had like Call of Duty going on. I'm hungry.
Me too.
You want to eat after?
Where?
I don't know.